Hello, myself Kritika Pal, pursuing third year of Hospitality Studies from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. Today, I got the opportunity to speak on facts and basic information about Costa Rica. Costa Rica literally means rich coast. Officially, the Republic of Costa Rica is a country in Central America bordered by Nicaragua to the north, the Caribbean Sea to the northeast, Panama to the southeast, the Pacific Ocean to the southwest, and Ecuador to the south of the Cocos Island. It has population of around 5 million in land area of 51,060 square kilometers, that is 19,714 square miles. Costa Rica was sparsely inhabited by indigenous people before coming under Spanish rule in the 16th century. It remained a peripheral colony of the empire until independence as part of First Mexican Empire, followed by membership in the Federal Republic of Central America, from which it formally declared independence in 1847. Following the brief Costa Rican Civil War in 1948, it permanently abolished its army in 1949, becoming one of only a few sovereign nations without standing army. San Jose, in Spanish meaning Saint Joseph, is the capital and the largest city of Costa Rica and the capital of the province of the same name. It is the center of country in the midwest of the Central Valley. With San Jose Canton, San Jose is a Costa Rica seat of national government, focal point of political and economical activity, and major transportation hub. San Jose Canton's population was 28,854 in 2011, and San Jose's municipal land area is 44.2 square kilometers. With an estimated 33,398 residents in 2015, together with several other cantons of the Central Valley, including Alahua, Heredia, Cartago, it forms the country's greater metropolitan area with an estimated population of over 2 million in 2017. The city is named in honor of Joseph of Nazareth. Colons. The colon, the official currency, is in Costa Rica. The coin is named after Cristobal Columbus, the admiral that discovered Costa Rica in 1502 and was established in the first decade of 20th century. The language spoken primarily in Costa Rica is Spanish, which features characteristics distinct to the country. A form of Central American Spanish, Costa Rica is linguistically diverse country and home to at least 5 living local indigenous languages spoken by the descendants of pre-Columbian people: Maleku, Cabeca, Bribri, Guami, and Buglere. Some interesting facts of Costa Rica are: it is one of the happiest countries in the world. According to the Happy Planet Index in 2012, Costa Rica held the top positions at the happiest country in the world. The sunrise and the sunset of the Costa Rica beaches are worldwide renowned for many reasons, not the least of which is the fact that you can watch the sunrise from the horizon of the Caribbean coast and admire it falling on beach on the Pacific coast all in one day. Costa Ricans have a high life expectancy. Costa Rica boasts an average life expectancy of 80 years, making us wonder if a relaxing, laid back lifestyle surrounded by nature might be the secret recipe to the longer life. Some major cities are San Jose, as being the capital, it is regarded as the most major city of the Costa Rica. Heredia, the region is also famous for its coffee plantations and stunning volcanoes. Cartago. The Technology Institute of Cartago, ITCR, founded in 1971, is one of the country's principal institutions for science and technology. Carthago is also known for its Sunday market. Some tourist destinations are Porto Viejo, Cahutia, Tortuguero, Corcovado, Arenal, and the last some famous dishes are Gallo Pinto, that is a staple breakfast. Casado. Casado is also typical to the filling of the midday lunch. Ola de carne, sopa negra, and last, chiferio. Thank you.